Today we're buying the ultimate sneaker mystery box in one of the largest stores in my city, Request, Atlanta. Let's go ahead, check out some of the shoes in here, pay for our box, and head back to the warehouse. Some of the most popular shoes right now are gonna be Nike Vomeros, and they have a ton of them here. This has kind of been the wave now. These Asics, there's a ton of those. These have made their way into the limelight of shoes. The Panda Dunks and stuff aren't doing as crazy as they did before, and shoes like this are very popular. This is inside of Request, basically sneaker grail case. This is a whole glass case full of some of the craziest shoes that you can imagine. Louis Vuitton Air Force One highs right there. They have like every iteration of that shoe in here. Look at that, the gold is insane. This is some of the most exclusive stuff that they sell, stuff that people want the most. The most expensive, obviously, like I said, you got the Chicago Jordan 1 Off-Whites, every Off-White you could imagine going down this row, to old Nike Air Yeezys, bunch of crazy stuff. This is where we go if you want to spend a little cash, but today, I don't know what we're gonna be, if we're gonna get anything from in here in our box. Let's hope. All right, David got our box put together. Thank you as always for doing that. Ready to pay, get this thing out of here. Is this a good box, would you say? Top tier, number one?
Easily.
Easily the best one yet? Excited. We haven't had a box like this in a long time, so there's gonna be a lot of fresh stuff in here.
All yours.
Perfect. Fruit, we're good to go?
All set.
We're good, let's go.
Put a lot of stuff in there for the video.
All right, so we made it back to the warehouse and we have our mystery box here. Now, we spent about $5,000 on this. $5,000 can get you a lot of shoes in today's age of sneakers. I'm excited because I've not bought a sneaker mystery box in a good minute now, so it's been a good break and I'm excited to see what's inside, and we want some new fresh stuff, so let's see. First up, got a nice little hat there. I guess that's a Request hat. Shout out to Request for throwing that in there. Let's go ahead and pull out one of the first shoes. First shoe up is gonna be a Dime Asics collab, the Dime Arctic Wolf in a size 11, my size. Ooh, this is unique. So like I said, Asics stuff is all in right now. That is like the most hottest selling stuff. And this pair right here is super clean. I really like the look of these. I'm actually throw these on because I asked them specifically for my size so that I can have some fresh pairs. What I've been wearing lately is these Sambas. Look how dirty they are. Adidas Sambas, just black and white. Cost me 75 bucks, cheap, and they're great. These things have a super cool gradient feature throughout, nice neutral colors. Super happy with that first pair, and let's keep moving and see what we got. It's another pair of Asics. This is the Asics Gel Glacier Gray, but this is a size 7.5. That's my wife's size. I told him to throw a couple in there for my wife, and maybe we'll cut back to her unboxing these, and she's gonna give her honest reaction. So let's cut back to that now. All right, first up here.
First pair, are they Asics?
There's some Asics, that's what it says. See what you think.
I would never. I wouldn't touch these with a 10-foot pole.
Sophie is very honest with her reactions, and so she doesn't like those at all. Asics are the wave now, though. Did you know that?
I have Asics. I have an all-black pair. This purple and blue is not vibing.
All right, guys, gonna hop in here and give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is gonna be Factor. Are you too busy this fall but want to make sure you're eating well? With Factor, skip the extra trip to the grocery store. You can skip all the chopping, the prepping, the cleaning, everything like that, while getting the flavor and nutritional value that you need. Obviously, you can see I'm in the KitchenAid, so I'm gonna be cooking up myself a Factor box. Factor's fresh, never frozen meals are ready in just 2 minutes. So all you have to do is heat and enjoy and then go back to crushing your goals. Factor offers options to make it easy to stick to my goals, as well as saving on grocery trips and cooking. Factor is a go-to lunch or dinner solution for when I'm on the run filming or in just day-to-day life. This September, get Factor and enjoy eating well without all the hassle. Simply choose your meals and enjoy fresh, flavor-packed meals delivered to your door, ready in just 2 minutes, no prep, no mess. If you head to factor75.com or click the link in the description down below and use code Harrison50, you'll get 50% off your first Factor box. That is Harrison50 to get 50% off your first Factor box, and thank you to Factor for sponsoring this video. All right, then we got some Nike SBs. What could this box be? There's been a lot of good stuff that's come out in this box. Oh, size 11 women, so size 9.5, not my size, but let's see what we have. Ooh, what are these?
Those are unreleased. Ooh. I know what those are.
Ooh, look at this, Nick. Nike SB sticker.
That's actually kind of
pretty cool. I have no idea what these are. I haven't been keeping up with SBs like that. Jiu-Jitsu meets skate?
It's supposed to be like a karate SB.
Ooh, those are super clean. The Jiu-Jitsu AP Nike SB. Ooh, that insole is sick. I really like this bag feature too. Check out that insole, that is sick. What you got on the back there? There's a little shrimp. What in the world?
I love when they do the detail on the bottom.
So Nick just told me that the materials on this are supposed to be featured after a karate gi, which is sick. Somebody needs to get these for Joe Rogan. Dude, there's 6 pairs of laces in here. Look at that. That's purple. You got orange, white, and gray. That's cool. That's a great pair. Nike SBs have been crushing lately. Some of the best shoes coming out for releases. All right, let's keep going. Let's see, we got another Nike SB in a size 10.5. One of the new boxes, we have a pair of Supreme Nike SBs. Yes, these are sick. This is a really, really nice shoe. This reminds me, and Nick's talked about it a lot, is the Paris SB. You have the black, you have the all over canvas print there. And this shoe was reselling for like 400 bucks. Has it gone down? No, it's like 300 now.
It's like 3 something. 300
right now. This is a cool pair of those. The Supreme collabs are always really nice. Got the nice little Supreme tag there. And these always do well. So definitely a big fan of these. Since we're doing a sneaker unboxing, we have to do a giveaway. Today we're giving away the Supreme Nike SB lows that we just unboxed. Rules are very simple. 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number 2, go over and follow me over on Instagram at harrisonnevel. Number 3, there'll be a post on the screen of me holding these sneakers. Go leave a comment on that and tag 2 friends, and that is it. We're picking the winner in 3 weeks time. The date will be up on the screen on my Instagram stories. Make sure you don't miss it. A lot of fresh and new stuff, and let's keep going. We got a Jordan 1 box here. What is this? Jordan 1 size 6Y. This might have to be a wifey shoe. Ooh, this is a good one though. This is exactly her color. That's a Jordan 1 Palomino. Let's show these to her.
Okay, a more promising box.
Shoe number 2.
Shoe number 2. Oh, okay. I like these. These are cool. I've never seen these before.
They're brand new. They're the Palomino Jordan 1s.
Ooh, okay. I would wear these. These ones are definitely a keeper. I like these.
All right, we're back, and we have so many shoes. There's at least 7 more in here. So we have a size 11. I didn't look at the pair. Size 11. This is my size. I can wear these. Ooh, let's go. The Yuto SBs. This is a sick shoe. The colors on there are so nice. The like bluish gray. You got the gray there. You got the brown and the little pink hits there. And of course they come with pink laces and brown laces. This is a really good. Nike SBs have been crushing it lately over dunks, over a lot of different collabs. Jordan 1s, I feel like they get a lot more creative with these releases than they do for all the other releases. Instead of like retro 1s and stuff, there's a lot of creative collaborations that I really love. So the Yutos right here are sick. So a lot of SBs, a lot of ASICs, and I think we got another ASIC right here. This is gonna be a size 11.5 ASIC. Ooh, this is another clean one. This is just a regular one. Yeah, this is just the white clays ASICs gel. What's funny is that like 3 years ago, nobody wanted to wear ASIC, and now they're like super hot. And this is a clean colorway. I really like the brown, the tan. That's what I like for these shoes. Not too many crazy colors. A neutral vibe that you can wear with like a neutral outfit. Definitely a good one. And I bet these aren't going for too crazy. We've got another request hat right there. Shout out. Next up, we have a Jordan 4 and a size men's 10.5. What could this be? Ah, yes, this is a new one. This is the Frozen Moment right there. We saw these in a store not too long ago. Got kind of the gray leather there. You got the suede, more leather, and then you got like the metallic there. This is a pretty cool colorway. I don't think I would see myself wearing them just because these bright chrome hits there, but definitely a cool shoe, and definitely a new Jordan 4 that's come out. And what I wanted to focus on is new releases, and this is one right here. 8 shoes total, and we still have 4 left. We have another Nike SB. This is a Nike SB, size 11.5. That's my true size. Oh, I actually really like the highs in these. I normally don't like the dunk highs, but this is the Supreme dunk high of the recent release, and I really do like that tan. You have the tan or the black. Do you like a low or a high? I mean, I don't know. Baggy pants are in right now, so I feel like you can wear the highs and they still look really good. So I might have to throw these on and show you guys how they look with these. This might be a keeper. This might be a nice fall wear because of the tan. Definitely could be a good one, but I definitely have to untie these like free. The designs on there are just nuts. All right, let's see. Next up, looks like this is another Sophie size. Oh no, this is my size. This is a small box. This is the Kobe 8 11.5, and this is the Halo colorway. That is clean. These Kobe 8s are definitely a different style, a little more performance-based, it looks like to me, than like the 4s. But this is clean, all white. You can't go wrong with all white. And obviously Kobe's are definitely hot right now after the Mamba drop that happened on 8/24. I don't even know what these are going for right now, but this is a good shoe. All right, we got another. This is a smaller size. This is a size women's. Ooh, I wonder if Sophie's gonna like these. This would be different for her. Her honest opinions of these might be funny, so we'll let her show you guys. All right, here's the last one. This is a brand new one that is unreleased.
Oh, brand new? I thought the box was kind of giving vintage. No. I don't really like these.
Those are Jordan 11.
I like this that this is gold, this little emblem. I think that's a really cool touch, but the rest of it is not happening.
We should have you try them on to see.
I don't think so.
So
Doesn't really go with my outfit.
They actually do. Black, white, and gold. It's like perfect. And cream for the outsole. That's
This-
like the absolute perfect outfit.
This shiny business, I don't like.
It's called patent leather.
Yeah, I don't like it. These are also a no.
All right, and the final box here of this $5,000 mystery box is going to be, is this a Jordan 4? This is a Jordan 5, size 11. We have a Jordan 5 Burgundy. This must be a new release. This must be coming out really soon. Burgundy Jordan 5s. You guys might know, I don't love wearing Jordan 5s because if you look how puffy the sides are here, it makes my skinny legs look even skinnier. So this is a decent colorway though. Not my favorite, but a cool new release. So here is the ultimate mystery box that we spent $5,000 on. Let me know in the comments down below if you think this is one of the best mystery boxes we've had so far. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video down below. Enter that giveaway and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Harrison signing out.